Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this little pumpkin. So let's get started. To crochet this little pumpkin, I'm using 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and in each stitch all the way across the chain. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops. So I'm going to go ahead and single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I worked a single crochet in each stitch across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. And now each row will be exactly the same. So you're going to repeat this row. So in the second stitch here, working only in the back side of the stitch, single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So working in the back side of the stitch, single crochet. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Now you're going to repeat that row for every row. Chain 1 and turn, working only in the back side of the stitch, single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that. And you'll keep working that until you have the size that you would like for your pumpkin. And in my sample here, I have worked 16 rows. So after you have your rectangle worked, you're going to gather across one end. So I'm going to pass my hook all the way across through these stitches. And I'm going to pick up the yarn. I'm going to pull it through. And you see that has gathered all along the bottom. And now I'm going to fold this in half. And I'm going to slip stitch all the way up to close this. So I'm going to insert my hook through one side of the stitch on this side and one side on this side, and I'm going to pull through. And I'm going to do that all the way up. So insert my hook on the other side, and slip stitch. Like that. I'm going to go all the way up. Okay, I worked all the way up, closing it into this little pouch. And you can stuff your pumpkin with either some cotton balls or some fiberfill. Okay, I have my fiberfill inside my little pouch, and I threaded the yarn end into a needle. And I'm going to weave through the top. Like that. And I'm going to leave a little hole so I can insert this little branch that I cut from one of my forsythia trees outside. So I'm going to fasten off, and I'm going to insert my little branch inside like that. I'm going to flatten down my pumpkin like that. And I have some green yarn, and I'm just going to tie that around like that. And if you want to make sure the little stem stays in, you can just squeeze some white glue down inside that little top. And that's how easy it is to make this little crocheted pumpkin.